And we're finishing the greenery with the most exciting stitch. This is a French knot. You're coming up, then you keep the thread in the left hand and wrap it around the needle. Let's do 3 wraps. Now we're placing the needle in the nearby hole, not in the same that you came up. Then you pull the thread, so it will be on the end of the needle, and pull through while holding this thread taut. And that's it. Repeat. So we're making 3 wraps, placing not in the same hole, then we pull in and going down. And that's it. That's the scary French knot. And again, I will show what to do if you don't have a hoop stand, and I'm holding the hoop with like these 4 fingers and holding a thread, and I wrap 3 times, then down. And you just fill all this area. If you get tired of one strand, you can turn it into the 2 strands. I just pulled the second strand lower. Okay, so we're coming up with 2 strands. I will make 1 wrap. Now I will make 2 wraps. The French knot is slightly bigger. I will continue with 2 strands and 2 wraps. I will also try to show from different angle. So I came up, wrapped thread, I'm coming down not in the same hole, pull the thread so the wraps are below, and I'm going down, holding the thread taut. And 1 more. Came up, 2 wraps, go down not in the same hole, pulled the thread and keeping it tight. And also a great idea to make French knot with different amount of strands. So you can start with 1, then make 2, than 3, for example. It will make interesting volume and texture. That's it. We finished the greeneries. You already can touch the textures and feel how great they are.